Okay, for this part, you're just looking at the ingredients. For that, then you stir, 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 stir. Then you put in the pumpkin. We doubled the recipe, so we added 1 cup for that. Then the butter, which was... I forgot, but you can go check it out in the description. I will have the website, so you'll be able to scroll through that. I had a little bit of the recording in the beginning. Stir that up. I want that pizza so bad. Okay, so keep stirring. Keep stirring. Okay, imitation vanilla. Then the butter is melted, so you put it in there, and then you just whisk it up. Whisk, whisk. Then you use the all-natural erythritol, whatever it's called, but you can see on the bag, because I'm a child. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, 2 scoops of that, I guess. I think that's a 1/2 cup. That's either a 1/2 cup or a 1/4. I think that's a 1/4 or 2/3. I don't know. Remember, we're doubling the recipe, so do not follow what the measuring parts of the video is. Check out the website in the description. Okay, stir, 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 stir. We're still stirring. My mom is totally multitasking with this, because she is like checking on the pizzas that she's making for our lunches for this upcoming week when we start school again. Okay, now we're using the vanilla. Looks like 4 tablespoons. So if we're doing double the recipe, which means that we would be doing 2 tablespoons without doubling. So now we are using our cinnamon, ground cinnamon, if I may add. How many of those, Mom? We do 1, 2 teaspoons, 3, 4. And we're done with that. And then we're going to whisk, 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 whisk delicately. Delicate, 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 delicate. Whisk, 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 whisk. Okay, my mom is checking the oven again, and we're just staring at that beautiful, gorgeous pile, which will become a delicious meal. Cinnamon, cup, vanilla, which I have already shown to you guys before. Okay, we used 6 eggs before. Staring at that. Gorgeous pizza will be coming out soon. Well, in the comments down below, well, it will be mine. That's a hack. If you do not have liners, use foil. Okay, so now put in the comments what day your school will be starting, online or in person. Do not give away any personal information. But, yeah, see you guys next time on Living the Dream. But let me know in the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, week, quarantine, or whatever's going on in your life. Bye, guys.